All right, let's go through this quickly. By the way, I forgot when I drew up my axes, you should always put the origin, put the y, and the x. Okay, always first thing you do before you put anything on. All right, let's have a go. Now, I'm going to do this a bit quicker. I'm not going to do it as slowly as I did here because this is the first go. I'm going to do this kind of speed version. All right, so I look at this, right, and I'm comparing it to this. Right, so I notice there's the gradient m. M's right in front of the x, and there, including the minus, there's the y-intercept, the b, okay? So then I'm going to say, well, I'll start with the y-intercept. I go down to -2. Here's the y-axis here, so I go 1, 2. There's -2.
I did it this way.
There's -2, okay? So y-intercept, right, y-intercept. Then what do? I've done the y-intercept, now I go over to the gradient. I can see there's rise. Right? It's rise over run. Okay? So, 3 and 4. Rise, I'm going to go up 3 units. So I go 1, 2. Sorry, I should have put an X there. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay? Now, if that's 3 units, what number am I going to be at? 1. Very good. Excellent. What do I do with the 4? Well, rise means go up. Run means go across, right? So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go across to there. Bingo. Okay? Which is go across 4. Okay? I went up 3, went across 4, and now here's my point. Okay? Last step. Join them up. Right? Join them up. So,
Wow. Honestly, wow.
I just do it. But with multiple lines.
Okay, there you go, alright?
Okay, good.
Okay, yep, question.
I mean, so what was the point of finding out the
The rise and the run.
Just the rise.
I've got to know how far to go up and across, which is rise and run. Okay, alright, yep. Yeah, I might do. I would love to, as long as we're all ready.
Look, start
Shut up! You keep going, just quietly. Okay. Now here's what I'm going to do, so that I can show you another example very quickly. I'm going to cheat a little bit and just modify this one. Just going to modify this one. I'm going to modify it in a tricky way. Okay, so watch with me. What if I consider this?
Oh, sir.
Okay. Now I'll show you. I'll show you what to do with this. It's not hard. Shh.
I think I understand.
When you're ready, now watch. We'll do the same thing again. I'm looking for M and B. There's M. Notice he includes a minus sign. And then there's B. Okay? Now since this B and this B are still the same, right? Same as the original question. I've still got that same y-intercept, which is great. That's really good. Okay? But my gradient, something's gone a bit wacky. Let me write this out again on its own so you can see what's happening. Bless you. It's -3/4. Okay? So the rise is negative. The rise is negative. That means it's not going up. It's going down. Now watch what's going to happen. Now rise is negative, but the 4 is still positive. Okay, so here's the way I'm going to do it. Instead of going up 3 units, that's what happened here. I'm going to go down. So from -2, -2 I should say. If I go down 3, I go -3, -4, -5. Okay, there you go. Now I went down 3 and then I go across 4 again. So I'm still going to line up with here. It'll be something like that. Okay, so you can see, I might draw it in again. There's the rise, which is negative, so it goes down. And there's the run, which was the same as before. Alright, yeah, it's not really right at all, okay? But now I've got my 2 points. I can join them up just like I did before. It'll look, sorry, wrong color. It'll look like this. Yeah, it's exactly right. It'll go the other way. Okay? So it's kind of like that one, but upside down. So what's the same? The y-intercept is the same. The -2. What's changed?
The rise.
The gradient. The rise has gone down instead of up, right? So that's why he's going falling off the side. Okay? So you can see what happens, right? We had a positive y-intercept here, so it was above. You got a negative one here, so it's below. And then you pay careful attention to which way the gradient's going. Is that alright?